by the people, for the people.
How peaceful. Ooh, who's that? Hey, company. That's a very cool perspective right there. Very, very cool perspective on there. I was reading a thing about how a lot of our jets are so, I don't want to say old, that's not the right word for it. They're so used because we use our jets way too much that we're in need of like a new Air Force, which I was like, I did no idea. Really interesting to see that that perspective on the jets, you know, to see them in the clouds moving. The landing is amazing. I used to work with a guy at an chemical company, and his dad was a fighter pilot, and he asked him, like, how were you able to land on the ship all the time? And he said their instructor told him, just think of that one thing that you want more than anything in the world and focus on that when you're landing. And so his son said, Dad, what is it? What was the one thing you wanted? He said, a beer. It's great. Nice. Great story. Great story, kids. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.